Performing arts medicine at physical therapy at St. Luke's is a group of clinicians that specialize in performing arts or treating performing artists. The group is equipped to treat dancers, gymnasts, ice skaters, musicians, actors, anything in the performing arts that you can think of.
We provide top-notch therapy that helps get them back into their performing art, whatever it may be, after a medical injury.
This is really important that we have this because the performing arts have such a unique skill set and a unique demand, and so we use these tools to help our patients get back to doing their craft.
All of the therapists who provide this care are so passionate about performing arts. We all have a background in it, so we're able to relate to our patients and give them the best care.
Our goal is to provide education to our performing artists so that they know how to self-treat in the future and can prevent future injuries from happening.